Hello everyone and welcome to the design of tall buildings in ETABS. Myself Gautam Chaurasia from Institute of Engineering, Pulchok campus. Today I will be designing a tall building in ETABS with the following parameters. We have 4 sets of similar stories which you can see on your screen. Similarly, we will be selecting the auto select options for beams and columns, which basically means that first ETABS will select the sections of a smaller size, and if the sections cannot pass the design check, it will automatically increase the section itself. So all the parameters which we have taken while modeling the structure can be seen in the screen. So you can see everything here, and now we'll go to ETABS and we'll start designing. So now all the material properties, section properties, load patterns and load combinations were defined, and now we will carry out the analysis program. Wait for some time. Since the building is of 23 story, it will take some time to carry out the analysis program. You can see the progress. Now you can see the in 3D view the displacement values. Now we'll go to design. Go to design, concrete frame design, and start design/check. Wait for some time. The blinking in the 3D view shows that the ETABS is carrying out the design check, and you can see in the pop-up that analysis and design sections differ for 705 concrete frames. Do you want to reiterate analysis and design? So we will click on yes, and we will ask the ETABS to increase the section sizes. So click on yes. So now you can see no any warning signs were generated, and the value of the rebar is shown in the 3D view. Now we will go to design and verify whether the all sections pass the design check or not, and you can see in the pop-up that all concrete frames pass the design check. So this completes our design, and ETABS also allows you to see and print the reports, which may be detailed project report or summary report. So if you want to see the summary report, in the Model Explorer view tab, go to summary report, double click on it, and wait for some time as ETABS will generate the summary report. And you can see that the summary report is generated, and you can zoom in the report and see the values, and you can use these values in the construction field. So this was about the project report. ETABS also allows you to detail the elements which may be beam, column or slab, but since I have been using ETABS version 18, the detailing options is not given here, and I need to carry out the detailing in CSI Detail software, which is the other part of ETABS software by the same company. So I will be carrying out the detailing in that software, which is very easy to carry out. So this completes the design of tall buildings, and thank you Skyfi Labs. Thank you.